Woo-wee. When you're camping, you can't waste all your time putting up a tent. So I'm gonna show y'all. Usually don't take but a minute for me to do this. Oh boy, this is my favorite part of camping. Breakfast. Whoa, I about fall off the hill. You gotta watch yourself around here. Let me get this going first. Got me a little water in here. All right. First part of breakfast to me in the morning is coffee. Y'all know I got to have my coffee. Go ahead and light this thing up. Move my toast right here. This is gonna be a pretty cool breakfast, y'all. We'll get us a couple of these eggs, chicken eggs, and beat them up. Y'all say chicken eggs. Yeah, I love my chicken eggs, y'all. The reason we call them chicken eggs is when I was raised, we had chickens, guineas, ducks, a little bit of everything. I mean, this is just something we love to do, me and Miss Janet. We get out in the wild. We love camping. Just cutting up. Where'd my knife go? Having us a good time out here. And when y'all cut these off, this is the way we always do it. Save them. Put that in some dirt, and they'll grow. I guarantee you that. So we're gonna cut these little bitties. Miss Jen don't like big chunks in her omelet. I mean, this is something we did every weekend when I was a kid. We camped, but we didn't have nothing like this to cook on. And this is pretty cool. We would build a fire, had them old Cajun stoves with the gasoline that would set everything else on fire. So you had to be real careful. Okay, y'all, we got some of the main part. Now I'm gonna make a little cut right here and put the pretty green stuff on the other side. All right, y'all, we're gonna throw a little, I'll tell you what we need to do right now. Go ahead and mix my coffee, get it ready, because it ain't gonna be long. Coffee's gonna be brewing. Water starting to boil. And this is one thing we loved, our coffee. And I still do love my coffee. Y'all can catch me anywhere you want, and I got a way to cook coffee. And it don't matter where I'm at, I got a way to cook coffee. And I just love coffee. That gets me going in the morning. Just a handy dandy grinder here. Look at that. Yeah, it's real important for me and Janice to just unplug sometime, get away from the internet, things like that, and just get out, enjoy nature and stuff, you know. That's what we live for. That's what we want to do. And just part of me and Miss Janet's life, we've been camping. We do all kind of campings. We got campers, we got tents, we got hammocks, we got kayaks, we go kayak camping. We do it all. Y'all love this. It's part of camping. And you got to do this. You got to do something like this to get unplugged. I just love this part of it. Get your grandkids out here, all that, and have some good times with it. Look at that, y'all. Okay. All right. Gotta have a little toast in the morning, y'all. Oh, when I was a kid, we camped so much. We had so much going on. It just never stopped. Craziest thing I ever seen, one night we were camping, and I went to shoot a rabbit one night, and I seen a bear in the swamp. Seen that bear in the swamp, and oh my goodness. I told the rest of the boys, I said, you ain't seen no bear. I said, yeah, I know what I seen. I know what a bear looks like. And so anyway, whew, needless to say, we all went back and we all seen the bear. So they figured out I wasn't really telling the story on that one. Y'all, it don't get no faster than this or better than this. Pretty easy to cook. Now you know we need a little butter on both sides of this toast. Yes, indeed. All right, y'all. I mean, you can cook it how you want it. This is how I want it. Little toast, crawfish omelet, definitely can't forget the coffee. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna tell y'all what, it's a lot easier than it used to be. Blackstone makes it real simple with this model. The camping model, I love it. I would never go nowhere without it.
Tonight you're cooking with the